Did you know that there is an option for getting rid of your hip dips, and it's non-surgical, so you don't actually have to have liposuction? So with a hip dip, it's usually where the outer thigh protrudes, but then it comes in and then the hips protrude. So it gives that indent look. So how we actually treat hip dips is that we treat the outer thighs and that hip part to make that line more smooth and uniformed. So then if you're in a tight dress or bodycon kind of outfit, it just looks a lot smoother. So I'll show you the applicators that we generally use. So we've got this nice big flat one here. So that goes on the outer thigh. Then we leave that gap where the indent is. And then we've got a more curvy one that will go above on the hip. So that is just evening things out. So in one session, you lose about 30% of those fat cells permanently forever. And there's no downtime, so you can continue with your gym workouts and you can go to work and everything like that, totally fine. So then you lose about 30%, and if you want further reduction, which sometimes I find the legs a little bit more stubborn and the hips, it's a kind of a more fibrous type of fat. So you would come back in a month and retreat, and it's generally between 1 to 3 treatments that you might like. So your results, you start to see changes in around 3 weeks, and full results are at 12 weeks because we're actually relying on your body's lymphatic system to get rid of those fat cells. And once they're gone forever. So it is permanent fat reduction. So it's so incredible. Body contouring, it's not about the weight loss, it's about the contouring, so that when you look in the mirror and you try on that outfit, you get more confident. It's incredible. I absolutely love the cryolipolysis. So if you'd like to come in for a consultation, I can work out a treatment plan and work out how best to get rid of those hip dips for you.